Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to sell your Ninebot scooter, transfer ownership, or simply connect it to a different account, you'll first need to unbind the scooter from the existing profile. The binding feature helps secure the Ninebot scooter, but it also means that certain settings and controls remain linked to the original account. Fortunately, removing that connection is usually a simple process and only takes a few minutes. Before pairing the scooter with another device or user, it's important to properly complete the unbinding process. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help you successfully unbind your Ninebot scooter. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the Ninebot scooter and open the companion app linked to it. Step 2. Access the settings menu associated with the Ninebot scooter. Step 3. Locate the account or device management section for the Ninebot scooter. Step 4. Select the option to remove or unbind the Ninebot scooter from the account. Step 5. Wait while the Ninebot scooter completes the unbinding process. Step 6. Confirm that the Ninebot scooter is no longer connected to the previous account and is ready for a new setup.